You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this famous battle from World War I. Make sure to stay tuned if you want to learn more names of different battles and names from history. The battle, or battle in American English, of Saint. In French, the T is silent to Saint. Okay, so Saint-Mihiel. Mi-I-L. So the H is silent, so you just have twice the sound I, which is the sound that I makes in French. Mihiel. Mi-Yel. Saint-Mihiel. So if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, the Battle of Saint, you could say Saint in English, that would be okay. Or Saint-Mihiel. Saint-Mihiel from French, or Saint-Mihiel. Saint-Mihiel or Saint-Mihiel, it's up to you. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.